Have you ever wondered what it would be like to journey through Amsterdam's rich history? Join us on an extraordinary adventure at the Amsterdam City Archives 2024, Journey Through Time. Right from the heart of Amsterdam's bustling streets, we at White Tulip Hostel invite you to dive deeply into the captivating past of this vibrant city. Nestled within the awe-inspiring Bazel building, the Amsterdam City Archives offer a monumental historical experience. Picture yourself wandering through rotating exhibitions showcasing rare documents and captivating archive photography. With state-of-the-art digital installations, you can explore detailed maps and documents, bringing centuries-old Amsterdam to life right before your eyes. Whether you're intrigued by the Golden Age or the harrowing tales of World War II, themed tours provide in-depth insights into these pivotal periods. And for the genealogy enthusiasts among us, the archives offer a treasure trove of resources to trace your Amsterdam roots. Our hostel is perfectly situated to make your visit seamless. You can easily catch a tram, like lines 2 or 12, to Koningsplein, bringing you just steps away from this historical haven. And guess what? Visiting doesn't have to break the bank. The City Archives offer exclusive discounts when booking directly through their website, and we at White Tulip Hostel offer budget-friendly accommodations right in the city centre. Staying with us means more than just a bed. Enjoy free city maps to guide your exploration and complimentary Wi-Fi to share your adventures. By booking directly with us, you'll receive additional discounts, making your Amsterdam journey even more affordable. So, why wait? Embark on a journey through time at the Amsterdam City Archives and let history envelop you. Check out the link in the description for more details and start planning your trip today. We can't wait to welcome you to White Tulip Hostel and help you uncover the stories of Amsterdam.